Hello and welcome back to In the Kitchen with Matt. I am your host, Matt Taylor. Today I'm going to show you how to make vanilla pudding. Oh yeah. I made a video on chocolate pudding a while ago, and someone requested that I do a video on vanilla pudding. It's really easy to do. If I can do it, you can do it. Before we move on, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on any of my new videos. Let's get started. Down below in the description box, you'll find the list of all the ingredients. I'm starting with 1/2 cup of white granulated sugar in a large bowl. I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of cornstarch and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And then with a little whisk, let's mix this all together. Like so, pretty simple. And now take a sauce pot and add in 2 cups of milk. And now let's take the milk and our dry ingredients over to the stovetop. All right, I have the pot of milk on my burner. I have the burner set to medium heat, which is about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And we want to heat up the milk until we see little bubbles around the edges. And we will just stir it periodically. All right, so it'll take probably 5 to 10 minutes. And then after a little while, you'll see these little bubbles forming around the edges. Once we get to that point, we want to stir and then add in our dry mixture a little bit at a time, letting it dissolve. And they're going to start to get thicker. At this point, we want to continually stir. Make sure those dry ingredients get all dissolved in there. And you want to get to the thickness. You want to get to the point where when you dip a metal spoon, it coats the bottom like that. And then little tiny bubbles, that's all we need to do to heat it up. You don't want to let it boil. So this is good to go. And then to finish it off, add in our tablespoon of butter and our 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And we'll just stir those two in to combine. And that's where a lot of our flavor is going to come from. Oh yeah, butter, butter, butter. Love me some butter. And vanilla extract. Alright, and then once it's all incorporated, I usually put them in my serving dishes right away and then chill them. And then it will develop a skin while it's chilling. So to prevent that, just take a piece of plastic wrap and cover it. And you place it in the fridge for 30 minutes to an hour until it chills. And then it'll be ready to serve. Or you could certainly just serve it warm too if you like. All right, once the pudding has chilled, take off the plastic wrap, should come right off. Yummy. Give us a taste. Look at that. Yeah. All right, the vanilla pudding is done. Turned out fantastic. Really easy to do. Simple ingredients. If I can do it, you can do it. I'm Matt Taylor. This has been another episode of In the Kitchen with Matt. Thank you for joining me. As always, if you have any questions, comments, or requests, put them down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. thumbs up down the corner, push it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Take care. Time for me to dive into this. Oh yeah.